How do you define a beautiful body image? Is it a slim figure like one you would see in a glamour magazine? Well, the Everybody Fashion Show says, not necessarily. Held by ASUW entities including the Student Health Consortium, the Women's Action Commission, and Arts and Entertainment on Thursday, February the 28th. The Everybody Fashion Show invited everybody that has a positive feeling about his or her own body to walk on the runway no matter what the body size is. Coming to its sixth year, the Everybody Fashion Show expanded the conversation over the discourse of the body to include ethnicity, gender identity, and so on. Like always, the fashion show also featured local U District brands and UW student designers and models. We were able to speak to some student models about their participations in this year's fashion show.
So last year I was involved in UW Leaders and they were looking for people to do hair, and had already been too late for me to apply to the show, but I still wanted to be involved because I heard about the show. I heard about how they bring retailers in, and their message is really to love your body, love who you are, accept everything about you, and like don't hate yourself, that sort of thing. So I just wanted to be involved in any way I could. So last year I did hair for it, and then this year when fall rolled around, I saw it on Facebook and my friends were like, you should do it, you did the hair last year, but this year you should be a model. So I was like, yeah, I definitely want to do it. So that's how I kind of got involved.
Like Emma, Lauren Martin, another model at this year's show, was also motivated by the success that last year's show had and some really persuasive friends.
Well, I first heard about it last year. I was in the audience and it was such an uplifting night. I had such a blast. And then this year, some friends of mine had signed up to be models and they convinced me to do it with them. I was really shy, but we thought it was all going to be a great opportunity to participate in something that we'd found so uplifting the year before.
The fashion show really provides an ideal stage for anybody to show self-confidence on the runway and helps convey the positive message that you are beautiful.
I think the fashion show is really important to have on the UW community. I think it's really important to keep that message with students, to learn how to love your body and love yourself, and like flaws aren't imperfections, like those things aren't to degrade you, but they're to make you unique. So I think the show brings together that community and to show that there's a support system and there to encourage you about loving yourself.
This event matters to the UW community because it's so important to celebrate positive body image. Like, everyone really is beautiful, and it's important to celebrate every body and everybody. And this event just does that in so many different mediums, from fashion to art to spoken word. And it's such a great celebration of all of the different talents and beautiful people in the UW community.
If you are interested in being a model for next year's fashion show, Emma's experience may familiarize you with the process of participating.
I applied through online, I did the application, I attended the model meetings. I also met with my retailer, Pattaya, probably 3 times before preparing. So I went in, talked to my retailer, we tried on different clothes, tried to choose something that spoke to my style but still got to showcase what things I wanted to showcase off during spring. So that was just kind of a few steps we did.
We hope in next year's The Everybody Fashion Show, when you show your face there, you can say, last year's event was great. That's why I'm here today.
Let's give another big round of applause for